Hey, my name's Goose. This is Copenhagen Wintergreen. You always gotta put one of these fuckers in before you start cutting shit up. So let's go ahead and get the proper pinch. You ain't gotta pack it if you're a real man. Real men don't pack that shit. Look, just get you a big old chaw. Pop that bitch in there. Ain't a big chaw, but I got a little mouth. You get you one of these here nifty salmagals. You get her in there and you start hacking. You chop that exhaust off.
I think you're doing it wrong.
I think I doesn't it right. Oh, there's true. I got this shit. Watch this. Woo! That's one. The kid I got the truck off of decided it was a bright idea to flip the exhaust completely around. It's a one inlet, two outlet, but he flipped it because he put headers on it and thought it was cool. Time to get rid of the diesel tip. I don't want to hit that crank shaft either. You got to get in here getting dirty sometime to get her done. Woo! She ain't having it, no. And that's how you drop an exhaust. With hot metal and dirt in your fucking earlobe.
Yeah, you were throwing shit at me too. I'm not sure how.
I got tore up from the floor up. I was about 3 sheets to the wind last time I tried this. And you should try being skinnier. It's a lot easier. But then I gotta get this coat hanger welded down. That's coat hanger weld. You weld coat hangers. It works pretty good. They usually hold up. Cintas ones seem to work the best. Cintas, I didn't say that. He used a G-strap on it. It was starting to rust, so I decided to make my own fix and use a hanger just in case it would go. That way I had something to catch it. What you got here? This is not a truck, boy. This ain't your truck. You ain't even tall enough to look at this. You gotta be at least this tall to ride.
Oh, piss off, Goose.
That's just the tip. That's custom. But I don't even know what kind of exhaust this was. It's a hot one.
I'll say custom.
That was a thrust. It's probably full of rust.
How hot is it?
That ain't bad. This is what you want.
See how much crap is in here. Whew. Yeah, that's a little toasty down there.
Yeah. Look at the bend he put in that tube. That's got daggone professional.
My favorite is this, where he just beat the crap out of it to make the big diesel
let's make
tip.
sure
If
we
you
get that
don't
on.
even look at it, you won't even realize it's there.
Here, let me back it up a little bit for you.
It's all custom.
Yeah.
That is a one-off custom job right there, gentlemen.
It's all
Just beat the
vertical.
crap out of it right down until it barely touched, and then put like chicken shit welds around it. This
That's
guy
right.
was.
Hey, if you look down in, you can see the light through the other side.
Well, that was how I noticed it the first time. I looked into the diesel tip and I'm like, I see light.
I used to spray it out with a garden hose to wash my truck. I was like, you know, we should probably clean some of that dirt out of there. Should we hear how she sounds without an exhaust?
Oh, sure, go
Yes.
We got them little shotgun pipes coming out the back of the
for
roof.
it. Hey, you should leave her like that.
Oh yeah, I get.
See how she sounds. Maybe you don't even need to buy more exhaust.
You need more exhaust because diesel tip ain't cool.
All right, let's see how this sounds. I bet it sounds good.
Oh, probably.
Loud as hell. How good that sounds. I really am.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's been a minute.
I think you should just leave her like that, but I guess it's up to, you know.
I only need about 350.
I think I got a chubby on that one, man.
I think I only need about 350. Yeah, 350. Woo! 350.
Sound good.
But we're gonna throw some glass patch on her and turn downs. I actually hear myself think inside the cab.
I know how that is.
It's not that you need to think, it's grabbing gears and passing clears, putting the dipstick in the lipstick, that's all you gotta do. I mean, it's all affordable at this point.
Right.
We're just gonna send it.
Alright.
Catch y'all later. Show you when we're done. Get the hell Well, we cut that exhaust off. Y'all seen that? You probably heard it already. But we're gonna take her around the block to see how she sounds without the glass packs.
And y'all coming along for the ride, ain't you?
We're just gonna send it.
How's that?
She don't want to move. I look your way.
Clear. Listen to that.
Just a little ramble in the gander. Gander birdie.
ZBC Saturday style. This thing will scare small children. Except for my nephew.
Scares the shit out of me.
Dude, my nephew's gonna love this truck even more than he did last time.
You never seen my truck?
Oh no, he saw Kevin's. He'll like this one. Sending it. This definitely ain't making a cut, but it's funny as fuck anyway. Back to ZBC headquarters. If my truck was this tall, right?
This here, she's gonna let it rumble. See, we're just gonna send it. There's a Summit Racing brand. Cherry bomb glass packs, pretty much same thing, but it's just Summit Racing brand. It does the same thing. It goes loud, it goes quiet. I got 2 of them, because why not? Got a couple turn downs, because city folk get pissed off when it's in their ear.
Even though you're going to turn them sideways and point it at their ear anyway.
Maybe not, we'll see how she rolls. And then, muffler clamp, little boy tried to sell me like a slip-on sock sleeve looking ass thing. I was like, get out of here with that. I was like, I want a fucking clamp. I didn't ask for no sissy shit. So I got me the right clamp too. But that's everything I'm gonna need to hook up this exhaust. 351, get her done. And they gave me some pamphlets from Summit. Try and get my reading education a little higher because there's a lot of words on them. That ain't gonna happen now.
Goose or don't read.
I ain't read if I ain't got to.
Alright. Well, when he's done fingering these things and actually gets them on the truck, we'll give you another update.
Check you later. Hey, it's Goose. Back with the exhaust again. I've got the Summit Racing Edition. It's a glass pack, but it's Summit brand. There ain't no need to go buy out the Thrush ones for $30 when they sell the same thing for 20.
18, I believe it
It
was.
was about 18. Well, 20 with tax. I was just redneck estimations. But I figured that ought to do. And she actually sounds pretty good. She's got a nice little lope to her. And no cam, all stock, 308 gears still. Big old 35s on her. Take about 350 to get her to run. But she run. So fire up, let y'all hear her for a second. Ugh, she sounds dirt nasty. custom flaps on the mud.
You might want to take her out of gear there, Big Hoss.
Got a nice little tune to her. Run like a champion, smells like a champion, breathes like a champion. It's better than having that old exhaust on there that was the inlets, or the outlets were the inlets, that old boy decided it's a good idea to beat the shit out of a 50-inch tube, 55-gallon drum to make a diesel tip out of for a gas engine, so. But for about 40 bucks, that's all I paid up there at Summit, thanks to Brewster's coupon he had. So I didn't pay too much, but I didn't get cheated.
Yeah, I spend enough money up there for all of us. They keep sending me coupons.
It's a good time. It's always a good time. It's about time beer 30, actually.
All right.
Yeah, about beer 30.
All right.
All right. Catch y'all later. Take her easy.